Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Katie Saleh. I'm an integrative wellness coach and wellness workshop facilitator. And today I'm going to be teaching you a breathing exercise called the relaxing breath. And this technique is also known as the 4-7-8 breathing exercise. I learned this technique from Dr. Andrew Weil. He's a world-renowned integrative medicine doctor. And I love to practice this breathing exercise with clients, and I love to teach it in workshops because it's such a wonderful way to integrate more self-care and stress management practice into our daily lives. It only takes a few minutes, and all you need is your body and your breath. So for this exercise, we're going to be inhaling through the nose to the count of 4, holding the breath to the count of 7, and exhaling through the mouth with pursed lips like you're blowing through a straw to the count of 8. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that first, and then I'll walk you through three breath cycles. So here's the demonstration. So on that exhale, you can see that I had pursed lips as if I was blowing through a straw or making a whoosh sound. So again, on the exhalation, this is what that will look like. So let's go ahead and begin finding a nice tall spine, bringing the shoulders up, back, and down. Begin by closing the mouth and inhale through the nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding the breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale like you're blowing through a straw. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale like you're blowing through a straw. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more breath cycle in through the nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding the breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work, everyone. Taking your time coming back into the space of the room. And just noticing how you feel after the practice. And just remembering that you can always return to your breath. This simple tool to help you find your center and to help you find a sense of groundedness. Thank you again for joining. Take good care, everyone.